The silent money mistake destroying your future. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to build wealth steadily, while others struggle financially year after year? Many people believe their biggest problem is not earning enough money. They think that if they could only get a higher salary, a better job, or a bigger opportunity, all their financial problems would disappear. But the truth is often very different. Some people earn modest incomes and still manage to save, invest, and create financial security. At the same time, others earn impressive salaries and remain trapped in debt, stress, and financial uncertainty. So what creates the difference? The answer is not always income. The answer is often hidden inside small daily decisions. There is a silent money mistake that affects millions of people. It doesn't make headlines. It doesn't arrive with warning signs. It doesn't feel dangerous in the moment. In fact, most people don't even realize they are making it. Yet over time, this mistake quietly steals opportunities, delays dreams, and weakens financial futures. The silent money mistake is choosing immediate gratification over long-term financial growth. It sounds simple, but its consequences are enormous. Every day, we are surrounded by opportunities to spend. Advertisements appear on our phones, computers, televisions, and social media feeds. Companies constantly compete for our attention, encouraging us to buy more, upgrade more, and consume more. Slowly, spending becomes normal. Consumption becomes automatic. Many people start purchasing things not because they truly need them, but because they want a temporary feeling of satisfaction. A new gadget, a luxury item, an unnecessary subscription, a purchase made simply because everyone else seems to have it. None of these decisions feels dangerous on its own. The problem is not one purchase. The problem is the habit behind the purchase. Small expenses repeated every day become large expenses over time. A few dollars here, a few dollars there, month after month, year after year. Without realizing it, people create financial leaks that slowly drain their future wealth. The tragedy is that most people never calculate the true cost of these habits. They see the price today, but they fail to see the future value of the money they are spending. Every dollar has two possible destinations. It can be consumed, or it can be invested. When money is consumed, its journey ends. When money is invested, its journey begins. That difference changes everything. Imagine planting a seed. You water it. You care for it. You give it time. Eventually, it grows into a strong tree. But what would happen if you dug up the seed every week? What if you constantly interrupted its growth? The tree would never have the opportunity to develop. Money behaves in a similar way. Investments need time. Savings need consistency. Wealth needs patience. Unfortunately, modern culture often promotes the exact opposite. People are encouraged to seek immediate rewards. They are told to enjoy today and worry about tomorrow later. The result is predictable. Many individuals spend their most productive years building lifestyles instead of building assets. They focus on appearances instead of ownership. They chase status instead of security. And years later, they wonder why financial freedom still feels so far away. One of the greatest financial lessons is understanding opportunity cost. Opportunity cost is what you give up when you choose one option over another. When you spend money today, you are not only spending the amount itself, you are also spending the future growth that money could have generated. $100 invested today may become far more valuable in the future. $1,000 invested consistently over many years can grow dramatically. Time is one of the most powerful forces in wealth creation, but time only works for those who allow it to. Many people blame external circumstances for their financial struggles. They blame the economy, their employer, their background, bad luck. And while external factors certainly matter, daily habits often matter even more. Financial success rarely happens overnight. It is usually the result of small, disciplined actions repeated consistently. The people who build wealth often look ordinary. They don't always drive the newest cars. They don't always wear expensive clothes. They don't always seek attention. Instead, they focus on building a strong financial foundation. They save regularly. They invest consistently. They think long-term. Most importantly, they understand the difference between looking wealthy and becoming wealthy. Looking wealthy is temporary. Becoming wealthy is transformational. The good news is that the silent money mistake can be corrected. No matter where you are financially today, you can begin making better decisions. The first step is awareness. Pay attention to where your money goes. Track your expenses honestly. Identify spending habits that do not support your long-term goals. The second step is creating clear financial objectives. Without goals, money tends to disappear. With goals, money gains direction. Know what you are working toward. Whether it is financial freedom, retirement security, debt elimination, or investment growth, define your destination. The third step is learning to pay yourself first. Before spending on wants, set aside money for savings and investments. Treat your future self as a priority, not as an afterthought. The fourth step is consistency. Many people believe they need large amounts of money to build wealth. That is not always true. What matters most is the habit. Small amounts invested consistently can produce remarkable results over time. Consistency often beats intensity. A person who invests a little every month for many years will usually outperform someone who waits for the perfect moment. The final step is changing your mindset. Think like an owner instead of a consumer. Think about building assets instead of collecting liabilities. Think about freedom instead of appearances. The choices you make today shape the life you will experience tomorrow. Remember this. The silent money mistake is not a lack of intelligence. It is not a lack of talent. It is not a lack of opportunity. More often than not, it is a habit, and habits can be changed. Every financial future is built one decision at a time. Every dollar carries a choice. Every day presents an opportunity. You can continue choosing short-term comfort, or you can begin choosing long-term freedom. The decision is yours. Start today, because the habits you create now will determine the future you live tomorrow. And the best time to change your financial future is not next year, not next month, not next week. It is today. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe, like the video, and share it with someone who wants to build a stronger financial future. And remember, small habits create big results. See you in the next video.